Oh, I think we're here. I think it is. Are we here? Let's see. Waiting for the stream to load. There we are. Hello, Dan. There we are. Yeah. Okay. So second day of game jam. I've not done as much as I'd hoped because the animations are proving more difficult than I'd hoped for. So what I have done is I finally got the character in, and I've managed to make him work the same as the player. So, you know, you can actually use him. He runs around.
The flag of my kingdom.
I've made the flag randomly wave with some wind, because why not? You can move around now fine, and we've got this one as well.
Somebody gone dead.
I've made it so you can't walk anywhere you're not supposed to now. So basically, if I enable paths mode, as you can see, it's not perfect. There are clippings here which I need to figure out how to fix. But overall, you can't, like, you can walk all over here because I want to, but you can't walk off that way. So I've only done it where you can physically walk, and there's bits like that I need to figure out. But yeah, ooh, that house not even touching bloody floor. There we go. Are all these not touching floor? No, just that one. But yes, so I've not. Where is this house going? Yes, I've not managed to make it. I've done some more landscaping stuff as well, so you got little bits and bobs there. I've done like a fence with some schools and stuff that you'll break and go through to get to the boss. So yes, it is getting there. I'm struggling at the moment to get the animations working from mixer mode on the little dude, and that's causing a problem of its own, because then it means I can't do my attack animations yet, because all my attack animations rely on the mixer mode kit. But I can't even get the mixer mode stuff to click onto the normal one. So like, all I got was this running one, because I was just going to replace it. There, look. And the odd thing is, enable root motion, and it just stays in the middle. I thought it was meant to be the opposite way, so I don't know if it's a broken pack, to be honest. But when I attach it to my character, oh, I ain't got it. Actually, I could probably just do it quickly to show you. So if I take, say, this running one, and bearing in mind its root motion is on, keep it in position, save it, cross that off. If I retarget it to mine, I've had this working on my other game, that's the annoying thing. But if I select my little dude, place this in, I don't really matter, place it there for now, because I'm going to get rid of it after. But now, as you can see, it just runs into bloody floor with root motion. And when I take root motion or not, it doesn't make a difference on this. So there's definitely something wrong with either this or I don't know. That's the thing. I've not had this before. So yes, so I'm not going to be able to do the animations. I might attempt it a bit later, but we'll see. But yes, one thing I'm thinking we'll do is when you're clicking,
To battle!
you don't really know where he's going to go. It's just like he's going to go somewhere, but you don't know where. So what I want to try and do is give some indication, because like you don't know where I'm clicking at the moment. It's just because I click there and then put my mouse over here, and it's just going to run there. So I want something there that's like saying, oh, he's going to come here. We can still kill this dude. Yeah, so he still dies. Why is that so reflective? I didn't notice that before. That's really reflective. But yeah, so then we'll come up here. And you can see we can't get through, so it'll be like smash, smash, tsh, and it'll break or something. Then you'll go through, light those lanterns up, because that'll make it look cool. But when you come down here, you can't see. So I'm almost tempted to get the camera to rotate to the player's point of view as well. Like if I grab this, can I do this? Is it going to let me do this? Let's see. It's kicked me off. There. Like if I grab this, can I rotate it behind it? I can. Or even at the side. Just, you know, like keep it permanently at the side of him. So he's always running sideways. Like so, because it just looks so much better. And then when you come up here, make it rotate. Maybe that's something I want to look into, because you don't you have more real estate to click across than you do click up or down. So it's not perfectly there, but it is. The animations are fairly decent. I wanted to replace them, but yeah. So now it's like glitched out, and you know what I mean. But yeah, so that's what I want to do today. Something I don't know. It's a tough one because the animation's doing me head in because I can't get it to work. So yeah, I have just been putting random bits everywhere. Those trees aren't even in the ground. You can't really tell anyway, can you? But I keep frame dropping for some reason. I'm just thinking, if I always keep it at the side of him and it rotates like so, it'll just always look really good when he's walking around. I was just putting more houses around here, so... But I don't have that many houses. I wonder what other packs I've got that might contain fantasy houses. Let's go and have a look. Night Switch I've tried to input and it's a bit broke into it. Sci-fi, sci-fi, Vikings, Western, they're not going to do it. What have I got in here? Office, Pirates, Space, Snow, Spy. Are you going to lock the camera to follow the character from a distance so it's auto-rotates? That's what I'm thinking. So it's already locked onto the character with a spring arm. So if I go there. So you can already see it's locked there. But for some reason it's locked to the side and it always stays this side. I want it to keep to the side, but whenever he turns, it stays to the side of him. Which I've never used a spring arm, so I'm not 100% sure how to do, but it'll be a fun test to do. Enable camera lag. Why would I want it to lag? But yeah, so if we can try and do that, it might make it look cool. By the way, hello, how are you? Are you well? Farm could be good, but it might be... I think it's a modern day farm. Is the music too loud as well? Let's have a look. If the music's too loud, I'll turn it down. I'm just going to mute a minute. Yeah, that sounds good. The wall interfering. Oh no, the wall at the moment doesn't interfere. It looks alright. It's just when you... Oh, what have I done? It's just when you're going up or down, it's a bit dodgy. I don't want to just make it a side scroller. I want you to actually be able to go around the map. But like when you come down here, it's just weird. You can't see what's coming to you. At least sideways, you can. So, I don't know. Maybe I'm just overthinking it, but I still can't get rid of these black lines. Still struggling to figure what these are. It's something to do with the shadows, but I don't know. What was that? Yeah, it's something to do with the shadows, and I've had a look, and it's not on the basic models. Is it something to do with these path ones? Yeah, it's like this doesn't have a shadow look. And like on the map, not every tile has a shadow. It's just the odd ones have a shadow, and it's weird. Like the T-junction definitely has a shadow on there. But when you look at it, there's no shadow. So it's weird. What are we going to do? I'm going to look at Polygon Farm, weren't I? Cinti Farm. Because if the farm contains components we can use, then we might be good. No, it's modern day. And again, some of them, like the patches of dirt, might work. We can't do the greenhouses and stuff because it's a fantasy realm. Yeah, none of that will work. Yeah, so we can't use the farm pack. Fantasy rivals and characters don't come with any kits. So it really is up to the knights, isn't it? In my experience, my camera always ends up clipping in a wall. Seeing a tutorial on how to fix it, I haven't implemented it yet. Yeah, camera clipping is one of the... I heard somebody say years ago, it's one of those things. Either it's really good and nobody will ever talk about it, and this is in reference to your camera, or it's bad and everybody will notice. Which it's a sad part of life, really. But I put a campfire here. We did have some FX. What we got? We got Blossom. Well, we don't need Blossom. We have Fire. So we'll put them on those and that in a minute. We've got Rain. Not bad. Smoke. Oh, put there. Okay. Snow. Don't need snow. Waterfall. Really small waterfall. Waves. Okay. Let's put the fire in. But yeah, so we'll really, the stream will just be pimping it out. We might even start looking at making the nursery. Because I showed my missus the progress after the stream yesterday. And she was like, it looks cool. But what's the theme? And I was like, I haven't put the theme in yet. So if anybody was to play it, or even come on, they'd not have a clue what the theme is. So it's definitely something I want to look into. That lantern's not very good, is it? No, I'm not going to put smoke there. I like that barrier gate I set up. It looks pretty cool, to be honest. You'll hit it, I'll make it do a quick animation. We might even do that later, to be honest. Still don't know what's wrong with that. Ooh. That's new. But as you can see, it's reflective, and it shouldn't be reflective. Wait, why is it giving me this? What is that one? I don't know. Because that one's not reflective. Have I just stuck the wrong bloody texture on it? No, that's even worse. Yeah, there's still some issues. If they were fixed, I'd feel better. And I don't know what's wrong with them. I just don't know enough about it. That's the problem. At the moment, anyway. It's all little bits we need to fix. That one, I don't know why it's so shiny. I don't like it shiny. But, okay. Didn't I do a My Castle's Bigger sound? Medieval would be my guess. 1800s. Medieval would be my guess. Oh, you mean about what the game is? Or have I got completely lost? Oh no, I haven't. I was going to do a My Castle's Bigger sound. Alright, let's destroy this fence, because that's going to be decent. Hello, fire. So, to destroy that, what I'm thinking is if we just go into the BP enemy there, we can't really destroy the static mesh. No, we won't use the enemy. Yeah, the theme. Oh, got you. The theme at the moment isn't to do with the medieval, though. That's the problem. Because you hopefully will get multiple maps done where you can jump between pirates and fantasy, depending on what the imagination of the child is. See, the damage would work perfect, but I don't want to be adding it to the fence because... Okay, yeah, we will, and then we might just have to modify it later. So, where the skeletal mesh is, we'll undo that. Clear. Where's the arrow? Where is my arrow? Oh wow, I've moved the skeleton shaft away. BPP fence. Rotate that like that. What we'll do is open up BPN in there, and I'll add a variable in stats, and we'll call it destroy time. Set that to visible. Give it a float. So before it destroys him, we're going to basically put a delay in, and we're going to set the destroy time to be the duration. So by default, no, that's not going to work. I'm just thinking I want the enemy to still retain the death until it goes and whatever. But we want the fence to die straight away, don't we? Destroy instant. Well, I mean, pirates were around the same era, why not? It's more of the concept of the game is that you are a child in modern day, like our time, and your parents take you to nursery, and as you get to the nursery, your imagination kicks in when you're around the other kids, and you all of a sudden you're in the fantasy, but then the next day when it goes day 2, you'll be a different genre because your imagination takes you different places. So death sound. In fact, we'll keep it like that for now, and we'll just get the right sounds and see how it goes. Regarding the UI health, do I want a health on it? I do want a health. Actually, it's pointless rotating that. As long as it's up there, it'll face the right way. Where's this enemy one? I can't do that. I just need to make the nursery because people aren't going to understand what's going on if I don't. That do it? Doesn't appear to have done it. Nah, it's just created random static meshes. I got you. One day a pirate, next day an astronaut to the moon. Exactly, yes. That's it. Because the theme of it is it's not real. So an imagination, when you're fighting people, it's not real. That's what I'm hoping it will work as. Okay, I need to place these fences in here. So let's grab you. Static mesh. Can I not set you all at once? Yeah, I can. There we go. So rotate you like backwards, so yeah. The first one I will put here. Second one I will put here. The third one I will move back just ever so slightly. Oh dear. Maybe I need to bake that one, hopefully. So if we move that back more, there we go. Then I should be able to move them all down so they're in the floor. Yeah, I'll do. So I've got loads of packs that I can do.
Flag of my kingdom.
Yeah, I've got loads of packs we can use, from pirates, Vikings, sci-fi space, like you say, zombies, and everything. So I want to hide the health bar when you've not attacked somebody. I think that'd be a good trade. There's the things. Yes, now we should. No! Why doesn't it let me through? Oh yes, I fixed the issue yesterday. It needs to rebate that. I would make them jump through a book of nursery rhymes, Humpty Dumpty and Little Red Riding Hood. That's a good idea. I'd like that. I don't have the models to support those ones. If I had more time, that would be a good idea. What was I going to say? Yes, the issue apparently was an Unreal bug. That the maps the paths, sorry, weren't baking properly. I had to go and delete the raycast nav mesh. This is how it remembers what you've done, I guess. And I just deleted that and then recalculated it and it worked perfectly. So if I grab these and keep the collision on, but see if I can turn block nav mesh off somehow. Can I fit notification? Turn that off. So theoretically, you'll be able to click through it, but see if I can start this off where I am. Current camera location.
To battle.
Damn it. Might have to make a dev tool. Teleport me around the map because I'm going to be here forever, running up and down. I have done it. I did it on my space one. Let's do it. Let's get rid of all of these first. Not get rid of them, but move them into the maps up here. This keeps it tidy so we know what we're doing. There we go. So I need a character. Let's do a teleporting thing. So as you press a key, it teleports around the world. I can do it from here actually. Project settings. Input. Action weapons. T. Oh, teleport. And we'll have to remember to remove this from the game when we put it live. That one. There you go. So teleport. So when we teleport, we need a list of areas. Teleport location sounds better. Where we've got a point or a marker here or something. Target point maybe. Yeah, we'll do a target point. Where are we going? Yeah, so we'll just teleport him there. Target point 1. Ever play American McGee's Alice? I've heard of it, but I don't think I've ever played it before. Isn't it like Alice Madness Returns-esque type of game? See if we can create an array of target points. Yeah, because on my last one I used vectors and it was a bit dodgy. As if we've got target points. Current teleport. Yeah. Right, so if you release the key, then we need to get the length of the locations. No, that's setting it. Get the length. If it's equal to or larger than our current index, I just think I can do this now. Yeah, Madness Returns is part 2 of it. Oh, okay, so it's American McGee's Alice and then Alice Madness Returns. Oh, awesome. It's a platformer, so I might have to try it one day. We'll just put this up here and we'll just do a get. Get a copy, why not? So then, if we press it, then we need to set the current teleport index equal to the current teleport index. Add 1 to it, like so. So that'll update which index we're currently looking at. Just stick you there. Stick you down here. This is all bits of code we do need. So when we press it, or when we release it, we'll go to there. Then before we do it, we need to check if we are now too far. If it is more than the length of that, then we need to set the index to 0. So branch that. So if it's more, set you to true. And once it sets it to true, then we need to actually... Oh, crap. I've dropped my headphones. There we go. Why is this difficult? We'll get a reference to self. So if it's false, let's get a self. Simple move to location or actor, I think. AI, oh no, that's AI. What do I want? Oh no, I just want to set its position. That's what I want to do. Set. I want to do set world location. Yeah, set world location maybe. I don't think it's mesh that we want to change. Is it the capsule component? We'll see what that does. So set the world location, and the location we want is here. Plug you into there and plug you into there. The get world location. Like, it might seem that I'm wasting a bit of time doing this teleporter, but it's going to be saving us time when we're running up and down. What's wrong with you? Oh. Arrow component? Just want to get its world location. Can I get its transform? Get actor transform. World location. Location. No, that's changing the location. What is that? That's a transform. I would have thought get actor location? That seems to work. But I need to tell it which index to actually get, which will be our current index one. So we just plot that in there. Stick you back there. Grab you back here. Teleport, because we just want to not steadily move those. So bang, get over there. I think that's it. I think. Teleport. If this works, it just means we can teleport around the map super easy. And all I need to do on the character, add the teleport location. Boom. Let's see if this works.
To battle!
There we go. Yeah, there we go. That worked. I just clicked
To
first.
battle!
There you go. Yeah, I have to click on the game first. There we go. So hopefully now I can walk straight through it. Yeah, and I couldn't before. Awesome. What happens if I click over the top of it? Can I? No, perfect. That's even better then. I can't even click over there. It won't let me. Because that's in the way. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So we've now got a teleport location, so we can get over there quicker. What I'll also do is I'll add one here as well. Enemy base. Enemy. Oh, chief. Yes, I don't know. So if we, because we need to test teleport functionality. So if I come here and go, oh, ooh, well, it is working. It's taking me there first. Oh yeah, it will be. Yeah, okay. Because I'm increasing it straight away whenever I press it without checking if it's, yeah. So it's fine. It works. It's good enough. I'll even just flip them up there to make my life easier. Okay, so we need some breaking sound. Let's go to Dan's assets. I don't know, wood. The plan is to give him a sword in this one as well. If we had more time, I'd integrate a shield as well, so you could like block attacks. But I think the plan at the moment is to just click on people and go up and attack them, I guess. Maybe add some potions or something. And let's mute the music and find some wood. That could work. Oh, that's just loads over and over again.
Wood. Wood.
Wood. Wood.
That's my breaking. Okay, so I'll just take all of them. Okay, we got them. We'll use the impacts to handle the hitting, and then we shall use the braking to handle the... But I saw a tutorial earlier on how we can make it even more randomized. So, at least I think it makes it more damage. That's the way more randomized. That's the way I took it. When we do the sound cue, right click, create single cue, wood damage. Oh, so that'll randomize which one we play. But apparently, if you drag from here, you can do a modulator. What's a modulator do? Defines a random volume and pitch notification. Yeah. So it'll just tweak it ever so much. Put a Howard Dean scream in there. I don't know what a Howard Dean scream is. I know what the Wilhelm scream is. But I don't know what the Howard Dean scream is. The scream that doomed Howard Dean. Is it this one?
You know something? You know something? And you know something? And Oklahoma to D.C. to take back the White House. Not give up in South Carolina, North Dakota, Michigan for ordinary America.
Have I missed it or something?
We will not give up. We will not give up in New Hampshire. We will not give up in South Carolina. We will not give up in Arizona, Texas, and New York. And we go to South Dakota and Oregon and Washington and Michigan. And then we're going to Washington, D.C. to take back the White House. Ah!
That could work quite well, actually. Ah! I get what you mean now. What am I gonna do? Yeah. Yeah, so the modulator just changes the pitch and the volume of it ever so slightly. Death. Can you call wood death, maybe? I don't know. Break. Let's go all the way to... I don't want the creaks. I don't want the drumming or the impact lie. That'll do. Yeah. Message retracted. Oh, message retracted. Why do I not get to see the message retracted? Create single queue. Wood. Yeah. Hopefully this will make it sound better. Yeah. It was funny though. I've never heard that before. Right, so if we click that now, the death will be replaced with the death. And the damage will replace with the damage. So now when we do it, it should have different sounds.
Battle!
Hopefully. That works. Bit of animation and stuff, we're sorted. However, one of those sounds is not playing a sound, so I'm going to see which one it is. I think it's them. I think they're the ones which aren't playing. They're not loud enough. Would impact 3_1? Oh. Oh, there's different versions. It was these ones, weren't it? I can't change an individual sound. We'll be alright. It'll be alright for now. Misspelled a lot, so I retracted it out. So now we can destroy the fence to get to the boss. Okay, that's something at least. The fire's there. Let's go see the fire. I'm not saw it yet. Nice little fire. Let's add some light to it. What light we got? Why somebody's got a light during day, nobody will ever know, but it'll look cool. How can I just, like, set you as a parent? There we go. About there, maybe. Give it a nice orange glow. That did not do what I wanted it to do. Just manually pick a colour. Just about there. I could add like a flickering light script and stuff, but for now, just dead basic, it'll be okay. Just trying to think best ways to do these things. So we've added the fire to that. We've added the breaking of the fence. I'm clicking random stuff off screen. There we go. That tent floating? No. So we've... a little ambient light will not kill anything. That's what I'm thinking. A nice little change to it. The only campfire we've got. Yeah, let's check the nights, see if there's what I can put in there. What actually works. Oh, does that work? If it does, I'll be happy. There's a door. Doesn't matter if there's a door, I guess. Right, I'll put it in the ground and then we'll bake and see what happens. There we go. Because I wanted to do the cutscenes as well, but I can't even do the cutscenes without the Mixamo animations. That's the problem. Crap, now I've got that scream stuck in my head. It's a good scream. While that builds, I'm just going to be back in a minute. I'm going to go for a pee-pee. I'm back. This OBS on my Linux, I really need to give it some labels and stuff so people know when I've gone. Hello Stella, how you doing today? It's going okay so far. I've done a few little bits and bobs. This... What the hell is going off with this pack? It worked in Unity. But it'll do, that's the thing. It'll do for now. Because at least we can put different houses in. We'll just stick you down here. We'll stick you to the back here. Is that alright? I'll take that like that a bit. Yeah, I'll do. Because now it looks like there's at least different houses, and this will be the village town bit here. Yeah, that'll do. Right, what other houses should we pick? Snow, we don't want snow, so we'll stick you there. Put you there. You there. I hope these aren't all the same. Because these are looking rather all the same. Why are they called different things if they're the same assets? Oh, it's just a window count, isn't it? Okay, get rid of a couple of them. Oh, I got rid of the one with that double windows. Which one's got double windows? That'll do. Where do I turn the snapping off? Because I can't get it right when the snapping's on. I got Creepy Noodle Man with nav mesh and animating. Awesome! Was the nav mesh as easy as you thought it would be? Because it is really nice in Unreal Engine. In Unity, sorry. A little different texture. You think it's different? No, that's a valid point. I do have different textures I can apply to it. Where do I get them from again? Let me in. There we go. Good point. That's purple. Not blue. Let's try orange. That's still purple, but okay. At least it'll be different. Stick you like that. And let's try dark. What about Alt 2? Ah, it works. I'm going to turn the snapping off because when you're doing placey stuff, you don't want it snapping everywhere. Stick you there and drop the dart on. What about if I stick you on there? Okay, what about if I stick you on there? I've only really got 3. It looks like I've only got 3. You can adjust the colours, right? No, I don't think I can, because not without modifying the texture myself. That's alright, it looks alright. It looks like enough change. Got most the needed assets in the project that a tree freezes leaves in time. Told you I'd do it. I like it. I genuinely can't wait to see it. It's going to be awesome. What other buildings have I got? Oh, I got a church there. Where was that? Oh, yeah. See, if I was confident enough and had more time, I'd build an editor script to randomize buildings for me. But I'm not there yet. So if we move you, keep you there. What other rooms have we got? Not just a single small house, it isn't it? Oh yeah, because with this pack you can build up modular houses. I'll just stick that and I'll stick a different texture on it, then it won't look so close to it. Yeah, I can't change the colours not without modifying the textures, and I can't bother to do that yet. What we got? Let's go green. That's blue. Let's go with that one. Still blue. That's the same one. That'll do. There you go. So it's a little bit different. Can you nav mesh on that? You can. I want to get rid of that. Just don't want you walking inside there. I like this music. I don't know what's going on with it, but... Stick you about there. Yeah, that'll do. Because now you can't go in there. Oh, you still can a little bit. I've used the same script in the past. Oh, to modularize buildings, you mean? Or the nav mesh one? Just fixing the past, that's all. It don't matter if they overlap, it'll be right. Yeah, that's good enough. Collision triggering in an event. Oh, okay. Okay. Come on, stop saving. What I might do is try making the enemy come to me if I'm close to him. I'll stick that there. That'd be a good distance for him to run towards you, maybe. Because now when you walk around here, you've got different houses and stuff. I need to put some over here. Yeah, but for a specific tag. Oh, okay. You want to do it just for a specific tag? Are you asking? Because if it is for a specific tag, do the enter on trigger event like Behringer says, but then just wrap it in an if call dot game object dot tag. Just trying to put random houses up there, that's all, make it a bit different. If I put the church over there, you're probably not going to notice if I face it backwards. Put it over here as well. Stick that, but we'll do it sideways so it looks different. Yeah, there you go. What else we got? Stick that red one over here. So I want it to look like a populated town. Because you're the hero, it's imagination. They don't give you many tags in Unity. You can add your own tags, I believe. I've never really added that many, though. Yeah, we've got more of a town coming along now. So let's jump into this guy. Let's see if we can make him detect the player. Sphere collision. So we just make this proper wide, like so. Player detect. Yeah, okay. So if we go on component begin overlap. What? Oh. Make health face camera. I thought that was player stuff for some reason. What's this? Is this damage? Damage. And this will be attack the player. So if other character is top down character, I think that's who we still are, aren't we? Yeah. So if it's a top down character, so if it detects the player, then I don't think we've got any AI scripts yet, and I don't know how to do that. So we'll just go, just for now, do print string and type I see the player. Play detector. So that should be massive, yeah. This one we can ignore. So we'll add a boolean in the stats. Can detect player. Yeah. Maybe. This seems backwards. I don't think I'll be doing. I don't think this way is going to be permanent, but it'll do for now. So if they can detect the player, go in, say I see the player. If they can't, then they won't. By default, we'll set can detect player to be true. And then just override it on the fence. So play detector, we'll just set it 0 to 0. 0. Won't let me tab for some reason. Is it still got the large fit now? So I shrunk it. Then on here, we'll just do untick that.
To battle!
So I see the player. So at that point, we can basically say, go and attack the player. And if we come out and go back in, I see the player. Okay, awesome. So now we detect the player at least. Oh, I'll be back in a minute. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So we've got some more bits done. I'm gonna break and have some dinner and relax for a bit. So I have just finished work, come straight back to it as well. So then I'll carry on with some more tonight and see if I can get those animations fixed. Because then we should be able to start letting the orcs run around and stuff with Mixamo. So it's only been a short one, but still to add to it, which is a good thing. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.